Welcome back to BBB's 5-Minute English, where we talk about real life and simple English. I'm Luis.
And I'm Emmy. Today's topic is something that can make your day brighter, even when life feels hard. It's called the power of small wins.
Small wins, that's an interesting phrase. It means small moments of success, little things that make you feel good, even if they seem tiny.
Exactly. We often think that only big achievements matter, like getting a new job, buying a house, or finishing a big project. But actually, small wins can give us just as much happiness, maybe even more.
That's true. Imagine this: you finally clean your room, finish a workout, or remember to drink enough water. It's not world-changing, but it makes you smile. You feel proud, right?
Totally. When you do something small but positive, your brain releases dopamine, that's the feel-good chemical. It's like your body's way of saying, good job.
So, the science agrees, small wins really make us feel better. And the best part? They're easy to get. You don't need a big plan or a lot of money, you just need small actions that move you forward.
Let's give some examples. Waking up early and making your bed, small win. Finishing your English homework, small win. Choosing water instead of soda, small win. All tiny things, but they build confidence.
Yes. Each small win is like a brick, and together, they build a strong house. Or, in this case, a strong mindset. The more you notice your progress, the stronger you feel.
But sometimes we forget to notice them. We finish something small and move to the next task without saying, hey, I did it. That's why it's important to pause and celebrate.
Right. Celebration doesn't mean throwing a party, it can be something simple, like saying well done to yourself, smiling, or writing it down in a notebook.
I actually keep a small wins list. Every day, I write down one thing I did well. Sometimes it's big, like finishing a report. Sometimes it's tiny, like replying to an email I'd been avoiding. But it reminds me, progress is progress.
That's a great idea. Maybe we should all start one. Because when life feels slow or difficult, reading that list reminds you you're doing better than you think.
Okay, time for a quick question for our listeners. What small win made you smile this week? A. You finished something important. B. You helped someone. C. You took care of yourself, like resting or eating well. Tell us your answer in the comments, and celebrate yourself.
I love that question. You know, small wins are also great for learning English. If you listen to one podcast, read one article, or learn one new word, that's already success.
Yes. So many learners give up because they think they need to be perfect. But language learning and life are both about progress, not perfection. Every small effort counts.
Another small win example? Saying no to something that stresses you out. That's also a win. You're choosing peace over pressure.
And helping someone else, even in a small way, can be a win too. Like smiling at a stranger, holding the door, or sending a kind message to a friend. Small actions, big heart.
That's beautiful. Small wins are not just about success, they're about gratitude. When you notice little good things, your mind becomes more positive naturally.
You know, it reminds me of something my grandma used to say, don't wait for big happiness. Collect the small ones.
Wow, that's so true. Happiness is not a big mountain you reach one day, it's a bunch of tiny hills you climb every day.
And that's why we need to give ourselves credit for trying, even on bad days. Sometimes the win is just getting out of bed or showing up when you don't feel like it.
Absolutely. Showing up is half the victory. Progress is made one step at a time. So if you had a small win today, smile. You're already doing great.
Before we finish, let's learn 3 simple words from today's episode. The first word is win. It means to succeed or achieve something. Example 1, I won a small prize in the school game. Example 2, finishing your homework is a small win.
The second word is habit, something you do often, usually without thinking. Example 1, drinking water every morning is a healthy habit. Example 2, good habits help us grow.
And the third word is proud, it means feeling happy about what you've done. Example 1, I'm proud of my small wins this week. Example 2, you should be proud of trying your best.
Great words. So remember, success is not one big step, it's many small ones. Every win counts, no matter how tiny it feels.
Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend who needs a little encouragement. Let's celebrate small wins together.
We'll see you next time on BBB's 5-Minute English. Until then, be kind to yourself, keep going, and remember, small wins make big changes.
Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I truly appreciate your support. Before you leave, please give this video a like and add it to your favorites. And if you'd like to keep learning together with me, don't forget to subscribe to BBB Learning English. See you in the next video.